Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the WhatsApp username option not showing problem and how to get the reserved username feature if it's missing from your account. Okay, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store and make sure using the latest version of WhatsApp. Tap on search bar, search for WhatsApp and see. Now tap on WhatsApp update option and now complete your WhatsApp update and go to phone settings, scroll down, then tap on apps option, tap on search bar, search for WhatsApp. See, now tap on WhatsApp, scroll down, then tap on force stops. Okay, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, back, scroll up and now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First call logs allow back, second camera allow back, location allow back, and another microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications, turn on or enable notifications option. Okay, back and tap on phone allow back, photos and videos allow back, last SMS allow back, and contacts and accounts allow back. Okay, now complete allow permission, back to home screen. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen and open your WhatsApp app. Tap on three line option, tap on settings and scroll down, then tap on accounts and tap on username and see. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now.